Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to change your app icon colors to black and white on iOS 18. Alright, so let's begin with the video. It's a simple way to give your home screen a sleek, monochromatic look. Let's get started. First, make sure you're on your home screen. To start customizing your app icons, simply do a long tap on the home screen until the icons start to wiggle. Once your icons are wiggling, look at the top left corner of your screen. You'll see an edit button. Go ahead and tap on that. Now you'll see an option called Customize. Tap on Customize to proceed. Here, you'll see a new menu with several options. What we're looking for is the tinted color. Select it. In the menu, you can choose from a variety of colors. To achieve the black and white effect, just lower the intensity of any color. And there you have it. Your app icons are now black and white, giving your home screen a clean and stylish appearance. So that's basically how you can change your app icon colors to black and white on iOS 18. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.